In order to generate two-wheeler insurance, click on two-wheeler icon. If the policy is expired, that is, if the policy is finished within a year, then click on expired option. Fill the registration number, for example, MH01 in the first block. Fill the alphabets in the second block, for example, DF. Fill the number of your vehicle in the third block, for example, 2345. Select manufacturing year of your vehicle. Select company name from the drop-down menu, example Honda. Select model from drop-down menu, example Active. Fill customer's PIN code number. Click on Get Code option. Select expiry date, that is end date of policy. Individual option is already selected. If you have previous policy details, then click Yes. And if the customer doesn't have any previous policy details, then click on No option. If policy is expired within 90 days, then you have to select previous policy NCP. This means no claim bonus, which is mentioned in your previous policy. For example, if the new vehicle policy was taken in 2018, then the first renewal will happen in 2019. In that case, NCB option will not be mentioned in the previous policy. In this case, agents will have to select the Yes option and select 0 from the drop-down menu. Agents has to confirm with customer if he has taken any claim on his vehicle. If he says yes, then click on Yes option. Customer will not get NCB. If the customer says he has not taken any claim, then select No as an option. In this case, the NCB percentage will be based on the previous year's NCB. For example, if the last year NCB was 20% and customer has not taken any claim in the previous year, then in this year, NCB percentage is 25%. Click on the Done option. This will take us to the second page. Click on Car Cover Value, that is IDV. This means Insured Declared Value. As per make, model and manufacturing year, Insurance Portal will calculate IDV. Agent can take 10% depreciation on the old IDV value and calculate the premium. The next step is coverage option. In this, there are two options, add-ons and package. Add-ons are those extra covers that you buy for a better financial protection for your car during loss or damages. We have 4 coverages in add-on. 1. Inclusion of depreciation reimbursement. In other words, it means zero depreciation or nil depreciation. A zero depreciation cover is also known as nil depreciation or a bumper-to-bumper cover. Pays the whole cost for damage repairs or replacement without taking into consideration any depreciation in the value of the car parts. 2. Return to invoice cover, RTI. RTI is an add-on option which covers the gap between the insured declared value and the invoice value of the car. This means if vehicle is totally damaged or it's stolen, the customer will get complete value which is mentioned in the invoice. 3. Consumable expenses. Consumable expenses generally include engine oil, gearbox oil, power steering oil, coolant, etc. and the items of similar nature excluding fuel. 4. Roadside assistance. Roadside assistance and breakdown coverage are the services that assist motorists whose vehicles have suffered a mechanical failure that leaves the operator stranded. Add-on options is only applicable if it has been taken in the previous year's policy. Package policy. Package policy covers loss or damage to the vehicle insured along with the third-party liability cover. Then, third option is PA for owner-driver. This means personal accident for owner-driver. If the owner drives the vehicle and meets with an accident and dies, the nominee will get a claim from the insurance company. If the agent doesn't select PA for the owner-driver and the driver dies in the accident, the nominee will get nothing from the insurance company. Once you fill all the required details, you will get the premium. If you want to see the premium breakup, click on Premium Breakup option. Once the customer is ready to buy the policy, the agent will have to click on Buy Now option. This will take the agent on the third page. Fill the customer's full name. Fill the customer's postal address, mail ID and contact number. Fill the customer's nominee details. mentioning the age and relationship. If the customer vehicle is on finance, then select the finance details from the drop-down menu. And in the type of finance, select option hypothecation agreement. Fill details of previous policy with company name, policy number and address of finance company. Fill correct engine number and chassis number. Once all the details are filled and the customer wishes to buy the policy, then click on terms and conditions and click on make payment. Once the agent clicks on payment option, amount will be deducted from the agent's wallet and policy will be generated. Policy will come on your registered mail ID. Also, the agent can download the PDF